Introducing the PTZOptics Move 4K, the 4K PTZ camera for under 2K. The Move 4K is a 4K PTZ camera that comes in 12x, 20x, and 30x models. Every Move 4K has the same ports on the back of the unit, and something that we like to call total connectivity. Well, what does that mean? These cameras have the ability to connect via USB, HDMI, SDI, NDI with PoE, SRT, and RTMP, making these cameras perfect for any workflow. You can plug these cameras into a laptop with a USB cable. It will appear as a webcam and have plug-and-play options available. You can also use the HDMI or SDI ports to bring it into something like a YOLO box or a Shogun Connect. NDI and SRT can go straight into a production system such as a TriCaster or Wirecast gear. And then the ability to use custom RTMP means that you can stream directly from a camera to a CDN of your choice, such as Facebook or YouTube. The Move 4K can stream at 4K 60 FPS, which is perfect for any environment, especially for sports with that high FPS. PTZOptics makes it very easy to configure everything by using the included IR remote or by using their web GUI. With the web GUI, you can control things such as exposure, color temperature, choosing an RTMP destination, setting up an SRT feed, and even turning on or off auto tracking. You heard that right. The Move 4K has auto tracking capabilities built directly into the camera. No software needed. This auto tracking feature allows you to select one person and have the camera follow just that person. Even if other people walk on screen, walk off screen, walk behind them, it doesn't matter. The Move 4K will follow just one person. The PTZOptics Move 4K is in stock now and available at videoguys.com.